30 years ago, yesterday, on July 6th, 1993, the world started to fall. I'm the Cromulent Archer, and let's take a look at the Thursdoid for July 6th, 2023. Since yesterday was the 30th anniversary of the time that the game starts, the Nox event as it's called, IndieStone kicked off this week's Thursdoid with the launch of a new Twitter account, @TheNoxEvent. This Twitter account is chronicling in real time the fall of civilization to the zombie hordes. Go give it a follow and check it out. In addition to the Nox event anniversary, this week's Thursdoid also spent time talking about the upgrades that IndieStone has been making to their engine. They say the improvements have been mostly focused on improving performance, as well as providing a framework to support the basements and taller buildings that are coming in the next build. A side effect of these changes is that the previous way they were producing the player's vision cone no longer functions, so they've been working on a new one that it should be better and cheaper CPU-wise. One of the big concerns they have with the new system is making it clear to the players that their vision is being blocked without it being too disruptive or annoying visually. They provided a couple of videos you're seeing now to illustrate the system as it stands in their current testing. As with everything in Thursdoids, it's subject to change. They also shared this very exciting image of a map expansion that's coming in the next build. The new areas are of course blurred out currently, but some details can be inferred from the image. The new area is to the west of the current map, and you can make out a large lake, a ton of farmland, and what appears to be a couple of new population centers. IndieStone says that this new map expansion is a total of 430 new tiles on the map. For comparison, Louisville was only 56 new tiles. Of course, Louisville was much more tightly packed than this new expansion will be. IndieStone staffer Atron has been hard at work building new versions of the sandbox interface and the mod screen interface. You can see here with the sandbox that besides just giving it a facelift, they've included several new features, including an advanced checkbox which allows for a more precise control over some of the settings. They've also added a search feature if you're looking for something specific to adjust. For instance, vehicle settings seen here. When it comes to the mod interface, it's been overhauled as well. The new interface includes a search function, but also shows you more in-depth info about the various mods, and will show you conflicts that might occur between the mods. As it stands currently, it also will allow you to save multiple mod configurations for future use. So no more just having a default one and then a map specific one. You can save multiple versions to switch between. As always, the menu overhauls are a work in progress and might change in the future. Next, the player character is getting a bit more vocal. IndieStone provided a couple of videos showing new vocal barks for the characters will do in certain situations. Let's take a listen. They say the noises are a bit over-tuned at the moment for testing purposes and will occur less often in the final version. And any new software development comes with bugs. Here's an aphid. If you want to see more, the important links are in the description. I hope this has been informative, and as always, I'm the Criminal Archer. Thanks so much for joining me. Consider subscribing if you want to see more updates in the future, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much.